Okay guys, hey. So this is my chill, lazy carrot, onion, and chicken soup slash stew. I am going to use the rest of the carrots that I have. Ready? I'm gonna throw the carrots in. Oops. So I've got too many carrots and I literally just want to get rid of them right now. So I'm going to throw the carrots in. That's the first thing I'm going to do. And then I'm going to put some garlic in. So let me get a little scoop of garlic and I'm just going to throw that in. Then I'm going to take some pepper and I'm just going to dash that in. Believe it or not, that looks like a lot, but it's not as much as you think. Once it's got all that liquid and everything together, that's salt. So I'm going to throw my salt in. Today I am going to put some Mrs. Dash Southwest flavor. It's not coming out. Okay, so let's try to get that out. Get that in there. Get a little spicy flavor going. We'll probably have to put more in because I'll have to taste it once the soup is closer to being done. And you usually have to put more seasoning. Trust me, you don't want it to be bland, so you have to put more. So here's ground ginger, and I like adding some ginger because ginger actually spices things up. I love ginger flavor, but it also makes it so spicy, and you'll really like that. And now I am going to throw 1 bottle of water in. And that is just literally so I can steam the carrots right now. So what's going to go on now is I'm just going to put the lid on. I am going to steam the carrots and then I will show you what happens next. All right. Hey, are you guys ready? Okay, so now it looks like the carrots are cooked, and if they're cooked, I'll be able to smash them. Okay, so yeah. So what you do is you just start smashing your carrots now. You smash them down real good. Ooh, nice and steamy. See, this is what's gonna make our carrot base. We're gonna like liquefy it. It's gonna be so good. I think it's gonna be really good. So now we'll cook it down even more now that we have smashed it real good. And that's what you do, is you take a smasher, you smash those carrots down. So we're gonna make a base. And that is the start of our carrot chicken onion soup. It's real easy. Can't wait to see how this tastes. All right, so we've smashed that really, really good. So next we are going to, okay, so now we are going to put in a pan of some hot boiling water. Okay, so that's how much that is. Okay, very steamy. And now I am going to put in garlic, so just powdered garlic. Okay, and that's that part of it. Okay, now I have some butter and some olive oil, and I am going to fry onions. I'm going to put a little garlic in here, and I'm getting ready to throw my onions in. All right, and that is our onions. Don't you just love when that sizzles? So I am going to cook these till they are golden brown before I put them in the soup. You want to get them nice and crispy brown. What I do is I can spray olive oil. Watch. Oh, you didn't even see it. Well, you can't even see it. You see? I have an olive oil sprayer. We're going to fry these up really good, and then we're going to put them in the soup. Okay, so now that they have a good crisp on them, I am going to go ahead now and I'm going to put them in the soup. Okay. Always be careful, pans are very, very okay. And that's how that looks right now. Yummy. Okay, and now I'm going to put some scallions in. Yum, I love scallions. Okay guys, and now I am going to add in chicken. So I've cut that up. Please make sure not to taste your soup now that you have chicken in it until after the chicken is cooked, or that will get you sick. Okay, so I'm going to stir it. I had already tasted it before I put the chicken in. This is going to just be kind of a light soup. It's not going to be heavy. It's just going to be something pretty chill that you could probably enjoy some rice with or some crackers, depending on whether or not you eat rice or crackers. But now because there's chicken in it, I'm not going to taste it again until the chicken is cooked. And I'll see you when it's done. Guys, it is all cooked. And this is what it looks like. Looks so good. Some of the carrots didn't completely smash up, but that's okay. It made a nice carrot broth the way I wanted to. And onions and chicken. I think it looks really good, and I'm excited to eat it. Ready? Here you go. And this is how it looks. Super good. A serving for him, a serving for me, and some rice because he likes to put rice in his soup so he gets full. But I think it looks super good, and I'm excited about how it turned out. Don't forget to sprinkle a little bit of lemon zest. I'm sorry, not lemon, lime. And you're good to go, and that's a great soup. So like and subscribe. Tell me if you make it and if you love it. I love it. All right, see you later.